This is how to play I Need Your Touch. Without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. I'll be showing you how to play the song using the key of C sharp, but I'm gonna play it for you guys so that you can hear how the song goes before I can show you the chords. Alright, let's go. I need your touch once again. I need your touch once again. Right? So our song is quite easy. Let's jump straight to it. So this is where it starts. Sorry. Right? It starts here on this chord. Pause the video and watch the chord closely. On this one, from here it comes here. From here it comes here. From here it comes here. Right? I need your touch. From here it comes here. From here it comes here. From here it comes here. And then it goes back to this one. And then you repeat the same thing again. But this time, you're gonna come here. And then from here, you're gonna come here. From here, you're gonna come here. And then you're gonna close it. Right? It says, I need your touch. And then, once again, repeat the same thing again. I need your touch. From here, and then once again. Right? So let's introduce the left hand. When you hit this chord on the left, you're gonna say 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? When you change the chords on the right hand, you also change on the left hand. Right? You wanna say 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you stay there. You play once. When you hit this one, you go to number 1. Let's repeat again for the last time. Right? 2, 3, 4, 5. You stay there until you say once again, and then you go to number 1. You repeat the same thing again, but this time you're not gonna move on the left. You're gonna go straight to number 5 when you hit this chord. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Remember, this is number 4. You're gonna stay with number 4. I need you, and then 5. Touch. You stay there until you say once again, or you can say 5, 6, 7, 1. It's up to you, right? So let me play the whole thing for you guys again for the last time. I need your touch. Right? Once again. Repeat the same thing. I need your touch. You can move from 5, 6, 7, 1. Right? It's up to you. So we are done. Until we meet again, God bless you.